Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a part that's deep inside your automatic transmission, a hidden component that's crucial for making your car move at all. This right here is a gear-type oil pump with a crescent shape, and it's the heart of your transmission's hydraulic system. Okay, let's disassemble it and take a look inside so you can really see how it works. You've got two gears. This smaller one in the middle is the drive gear. It has external teeth, meaning its teeth point outwards. The bigger one wraps around it. That's the driven gear. The outer gear has internal teeth, meaning its teeth point inwards toward its center. They spin together, and right between them, you've got this curved piece, the crescent. That's what makes this pump special. When the engine runs, it turns the torque converter. That spins the shaft, which turns this gear. The whole pump gets moving. As the gears rotate, they trap transmission fluid, ATF, between the teeth and the housing, then push it around the crescent. The crescent here acts like a wall. It separates the suction side from the pressure side. So on one side, fluid gets pulled in from the pan, and on the other side, it gets pushed out under pressure. That pressurized fluid, it goes everywhere. It shifts gears, locks clutches, cools the system, and keeps the whole transmission alive. No pressure from the pump mines, no shifting at all. Now look, over time, the gears and housing can wear out. You get too much clearance, and the pump can't build pressure like it should. That's when you start feeling slipping, slow shifts, or maybe the car won't even move. That's why clean fluid and a good filter matter. Dirty ATF can grind up these gears and clog the system. If you don't service it, you'll end up rebuilding the whole transmission. And trust me, it costs a lot of money. So this little Crescent gear pump doesn't look like much, but it's doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Keep your fluid fresh, keep your filter clean, and this thing will keep your ride shifting smooth for a long time. That's it for today. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.